for those who want to loom, as you want to boom. Pow, yeah, if I want to whoever you will say the level 2. You wanna get, you wanna get.
Alright guys, so this is going to be our first big drop of 2021. We have the Jordan 1 Volt. I'm mainly going for the GS sizes because the colorway does not seem to be doing so well in the men's sizing right now for profit. So we're gonna go for mainly GS size, but we did sprinkle some men's sizes tasks along the way. And as you can see on the screen right now, we got 2 new bots, and we have to shout out to the Wrath team. Nick from Wrath reached out to me and wanted to give me a shot at running Wrath and showcase the bot a little bit more to you guys. So thank you all so much from the Wrath team for giving me this opportunity. It is amazing to actually get the chance to use one of the best bots in the game right now. So hopefully I won't let you down. We're gonna see if we can cop some nice shoes for you guys. And we also got Torpedo in our arsenal now. So I traded my balko and some cash for Torpedo. So we're gonna see if we can do well on there as well. So with all that being said, let's get it. All right, here we go. Oh, let's go, we got one. Where? I don't know where. We got one here, yay. We got one on usnkrs again. So we got one here on the GS size, okay. Oh Lord, this is laggy. We got another one here, yes. Okay, got a size 11. So far, nothing on foot size yet. Alright guys, so we ended the day with 8 checkouts. I think that's enough for us. My girl said that this is a decent colorway. I respectfully disagree, you know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, not a bad day. We were able to start the new year with a decent day with 8 checkouts. Only 1 got canceled so far, so yeah, we'll take it. I think it's a good way to start our New Year's. It's a good way for us to run some footside practice. Let's see how we do later on this month. So at the end of the day, I just want to say again, thank you for Wrath.io to provide me with a monthly copy to test it out for this month. So I also wanted to shout out my 2 new sponsors, Aqua Proxies as well as BART Proxies. Both of these are really good proxies that I recently started using, and I'm glad they had some faith in me to sponsor me, and I do have a tremendous amount of faith in them as well. And you should be able to see on the screen some of the promotion code and their information there as well, and definitely check them out. I think they are very good up and coming proxy providers, and I've gotten some checkouts with their proxies as well, so hopefully you guys will check them out. So with all that being said, let's get into the unboxings. We got a ton of shoes for you guys to check out, and roll it. Alright guys, so as you can see, we got a ton of stuff that need to unbox. It's been a while since we've done an unboxing, and got a ton of stuff. Some of them we were able to cop towards the end of 2020, and these were the new ones we got in 2021. So let's start with the 2021 haul. These are the Jordan 1 Gold Volts. So I don't know, man. I think this is more similar to a mid colorway if you think about it, compared to some of the nice Jordan 1 highs they've made. So I can see why this colorway bricked. The price is not doing too well right now, and yeah, so I'm not a big fan of it, but it's still a Jordan 1 high. So maybe if you have a lot of them and you have some capital, If you hold on to it long enough, maybe it will fetch decent profit later on. But for me, I'm gonna quick flip them as soon as possible. So just to recover my investment if necessary. So yeah. Alright, so next shoe we want to show you, this is one of the best shoes I was able to cop in 2020. This is the Dunk Low Sean Cliver Holiday Special. Okay, yeah, I mean, very nice looking dunk, I gotta say. Like the outsole is nice material, nice leather. Yeah, this is really comfy. Holy crap. I gotta say though, like comparing to the Strangeloves, I never held one in my hand, so to be able to hold this in my hand is very nice. Like the Chinese people are calling this the like, it has a Frozen theme with it, so people were calling it the Frozen. In Chinese it's called 冰雪奇缘, so it's translated into the movie Frozen. So yeah, pretty cool shoe. I'm holding on to this for a little bit because I think it might go up even more in terms of resale. It's already fetching like 600 profit already, so maybe a little bit longer and then I'm gonna sell this. Alright, so this is the Dunk High Varsity Purples. I was able to cop 4 and 3 of them are already sold. I have 1 more left I'm gonna sell as soon as possible as well. So this one is okay. I think compared to the Dunk Low, obviously the material is lacking a little bit, but for a Dunk High and the purple of color being really popular in 2020, I would say this is still a very good shoe for girls to have. I think my girl really liked this design of it. The outsole is purple. Overall, it looks like a quarter purple Jordan High, but at the same time, being a Dunk High, I think it's decent. And this is the Sakai Vapor Waffle Tour Yellow. I copped 2 of the Villain Reds and already sold them. And let's take a look at the Tour Yellows. Wow, this is size 11, so it's my size, but it is huge. It looks like a freaking boat. Look at this. Like, I think that the outsole's like kind of extension definitely makes it a lot bigger than it should, but which is why I think the Vapor Waffles is a lot better for girls to wear. But yeah, I think I like the colorway. It's not gonna be for me personally. I don't think I'm gonna wear these, but I'm gonna sell them. All right, so next we have the Kobe 6 Grinch. This one dropped Christmas Eve, and I think these are really nice. Let's take a look. Yeah, for a Kobe, the Grinch colorway was very popular when Kobe first wore it on Christmas Day, one of his Christmas Day games, and I'm really glad they finally released it to the general public and I was able to cop one. This is interesting. I think it's got the mamba skins with the snake skins, so yeah, I like it. I think it's a very classic piece of Kobe's history, and I'm really glad I'm able to hold it in my hand right now. So okay. Lastly, we have the Ambush Dunk. This one I was able to cop on TSB. This is the Ambush Dunk High, size 12.5. Really awkward size to resell, but I'm glad I was able to sell it already on GOAT, and I'm gonna ship it out after this. So let's take a look. Ooh. Okay, yeah, wow, this is the design of it is a lot better than it looked on the picture. I mean, like, you see the swoosh that like extended off of the shoe's body itself is a really cool design concept, and it's got the ambush tag on the back, similar to like the fragment tags, and yeah, I liked it. I think this is a way better looking Dunk High than the Varsity Purple Dunk High that we were able to show you earlier. So I can see why this shoe is already going up to like the $500 range for normal sizes, like size 10 to 11, or even like smaller sizes. I see them going for like $700, $800. So yeah, I'm really glad I was able to cop one of these on TSB. So shout out to TSB. All right, so next 2 things I'm about to show you are personals. So this one I was able to cop on balko. This is the COS Companion. My wife and I really like the colorway, and we really wanted one of the collection pieces. So let's take a look together of this for the first time. Oh, it's hard to open. Okay. Whoa, this is huge. All right, so we were finally able to open this, and this is what it looks like. Pretty funny figurine. I like it. I think we like the colorway. We think this is a pretty cool item to have. I mean, this thing is most likely gonna end up like this most of the time. So yeah, pretty cool. I didn't know it was gonna be this big, and I got one of the costs. I think it was one of like the companions or something else previously, and I never opened it. So, but that thing was like this big. So I guess yeah. So it makes sense that this one is this size. So yeah, pretty cool. Alright, so the last thing I want to show you, and this is going to shout out to the camera woman behind the camera, my wife. She was able to got that for me for my birthday, and it is the Dunkai Doraemon. Is that how you pronounce it? It's that little genius cat thingy, robot thingies, Japanese anime that I've been showing from a long time ago. This colorway is awesome. I love blue, and she knows I really wanted a Dunkai. She was debating between this or the ambush Dunkais, and I was like, let's get these because I like blue. She was able to cop this for me, and I'm so happy because I never imagined myself holding this in my hands just because how limited this release was, and I was in no way have any capabilities or channels to be able to cop this, and she found out a way for me to get this on my feet. So definitely shout out to my wife, and yeah, very happy with the results. So that's all we have for you guys. Thank you all so much for your support. I know this week has been a little quiet, and for the rest of the month of January is going to be quiet because they pushed back the Dunk Day releases in the US. So hopefully you guys will use this time to tweak on your setups and make sure you learn your bots, your proxies, and everything else. And I will definitely drop some more Learn with Erden videos, especially on usnkrs. A lot of people has been asking about that. So hopefully you guys will enjoy this week's live cop and the unboxing. And in the meantime, keep it cool, keep it real. This is Erden. Peace out.